Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create ebooks in Designrr. As you can see right here from the number of tabs, I've been doing quite a lot of work here. Now, there's multiple ways to create an ebook. You can come here and click on a new ebook, right? And you can do this project creator feature. So you'll say, I'd like to create an ebook, but published as a PDF, for example. And you can choose a PDF as a baseline. You can also insert a link to the file, upload the file directly. You can write it from scratch or just choose a template, or you can even generate using AI. Let me show you this feature. And now you choose what the ebook will be on the theme. Let's say we'll do something with business development and sales, right? Go ahead and click on let's start. Now, what will happen is now it's just giving you an overview. That's okay. Now you can enter your topic or niche. So something to do with sales. So we'll do search-based affiliate marketing. Okay, go ahead and click on next. We've chosen our language as English. Now you can choose our sub-niches, right? You can do either product reviews or just stick to search-based affiliate marketing, right? We'll do product reviews as well. And I think these two are fine. You can choose more as well. This one is okay. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do this. Click on next. And now you need to enter the audience for our ebook. We'll do YouTubers. Okay. Our audience is YouTubers who want to create channels that do reviews and it helps with their affiliate. Okay, here we go. We can choose a title from our suggestion. Clicks to cash. Perfect. That is a good title. They have a lot of other very catchy titles. You can go ahead and check that out. I'll click on next. A tone of voice for this, I'll do something informative. That's fine. Go ahead and click on next right here. And as you can see, what will happen after this Designrr tool is done thinking using its AI, we will be able to see the whole outline of our ebook. And if you're satisfied with this, let me go ahead with this. It's introduction, finding your niche. Perfect. Setting up a YouTube channel. I like this. Going good. Great so far. Scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. All right, this is perfect. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and regenerate this. You can go ahead and edit as well. I will just go ahead and press on next, and the AI will basically start generating the content. So if I scroll all the way up here, once this refreshes, what is going to happen? It is writing everything a chapter by chapter for us. Okay. It is currently generating this whole ebook, and I must say, wow. The amount of details, the amount of knowledge here it's insane, because actually very, very valuable knowledge, very true, very to the point, actually useful knowledge right here that is actually important, and it's providing this, and it's doing this using AI right here. Is something that took me a lot of research to learn. It's literally gushing everything out in an ebook. Wow, that's impressive. I also love how it's literally mentioning the exact tools you need to use. For example, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, Google Keyword Planner, right? And here they're also giving us examples where it's telling us to target long tail keywords, or end of the funnel keywords, right? Gonna go ahead and target those. All right, it generated a whole PDF with 12 chapters. Now you can go ahead and choose a template. So come here, choose a template. You'll get a bunch of different ones. You can choose your page size, or orientation. They have some pro templates you can go ahead and use for free. You can try them out. I will go ahead and try this one. Actually, this one's nice. We are selling high ticket items. This elegance one is nice, so we can use it for advertising. Okay, we'll go ahead and just use this template and wait for Designrr to go ahead and synchronize this template with our data. As you can see, we can also go ahead and edit things in this ebook, right? With the different elements they have. You can use images, artworks, shapes, layouts, different templates as well. You can go ahead and still change this. So here we go. Now it's formatting the content, so let's wait for that. Here we go. It has imported the whole thing. If I can come here, double click this, you can change the text style, text color, anything you want. Everything here is editable. You can see my name right here as well, table of contents, everything. And the best part is once you export this as a PDF, you can just click on these and it will take you to the respective page number. So they have page breaks as well. It will be invisible, of course, when published. And you can go ahead and read the whole audiobook. You can add images if you want. For example, I come here to images. It takes an image. Let's just do this one, right? Put it right here. And also what you can do for images, you can come back here. You can go ahead, go to the suggested images section, right? And see what Designrr will provide you. Of course, I can go ahead and take this to the other page, resize this according to my needs. A lot of different things you can go ahead and do with it. Okay, now we can also go to artworks and shapes. If you want to add some clip art, you can do those as well. You can change the layout, right? You can do a lot of different things, and it's really that easy and simple. Once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and publish this. Go ahead and export this, for example, as a PDF. Click on export, and then it should start downloading immediately once it's done publishing it. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.